Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my wash day regimen with you. It's quite basic, it's quite affordable. If you're interested, you need to keep on watching. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm using water to detangle my hair. Now you don't have to go through the stress of using a spray bottle. I mean, you can just do this in your bathroom and just turn on the shower and soak your hair in water, you get, and then use your hands to run through just to make sure that it's properly detangled before you go in to use a comb. And I'm doing this with a spray bottle just because of this video, but usually I'm in the bathroom and I just run water through my hair. Okay, and I also wash my hair in sections just because it's easier for me to manage, and so I usually wash my hair in either 4 sections or I go ahead to twist them into smaller sections. So it's either I wash my hair like this or I wash my hair in twists, but today I'm washing my hair in 4 sections just because because of time, and it's faster and it's easier actually. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm still detangling. And then next I'm going ahead to shampoo my hair, and this is the shampoo I have actually been using ever since my natural hair journey. It is the Hair Wonder shampoo. It comes in 2 colors, and once you shake it, this is how it turns out, and it becomes just one product. And it has a very watery consistency, so you need to be careful when you're using this. It lathers a lot as well, and it's so affordable. It lathers up a lot. A little goes a long way actually. So focus on your scalp, because that is like where there's a lot of products build up, and take note that your scalp, that is where you need to really focus on and cleanse, because once you're rinsing off your shampoo, the lather is going to cleanse the strands of your hair, just because you don't want to really go on and wash your strands, because your strands, the ends of your hair, are like the weakest part of your hair, so you need to be careful with that part. This is a conditioner which I'm using, is a Tresemme conditioner. I'm just going to use this to condition the hair, and I like to focus on my tips and the ends of my hair before I really go and dive in. And so this is just what I'm using, and I'm also going to use my hands to detangle. Again, I love detangling with my hands. And then after this, I'm also going to go ahead to use a white comb just to further detangle that and make sure that everything, like there are no knots, and this would help to prevent breakage during your wash day. So try as much as possible to use your fingers. It has like less tension on your strands, so whenever you're conditioning, try to condition the strands of your hair just for added strength. This is what it's looking like, and I'm going to go ahead to rinse this off and then go in with my deep conditioner. Now this is kind of like a 2-in-1, so I just recently got this and I've used it just once. It has egg protein in it, so I use it as a deep conditioner and a sort of protein treatment, just because my strands have been breaking lately, and just to add more strength to my hair. That is why I really wanted this as a sort of protein treatment. So I focus on my ends and I focus on the tip of my hair just to strengthen it the more and to prevent breakage. Okay, so that is what I do, and this is what it's looking like after I've gone ahead to twist it. And I'm going to twist this in smaller sections all through my hair. And there's something I noticed about this product actually. My hair actually took in a lot of this. I don't know, I'm going to show you guys after 45 minutes, because I deep conditioned this for about 45 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after 45 minutes, because it was as if my hair just accepted everything from the product. I don't know. I don't know, it feels like my hair loves this. I don't know, but I'll show you guys and you guys would see what it looks like. But I feel like my hair loved this, even though my hair wasn't really soft at the end. But I know my hair took in like my hair received the product. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So this is it after applying the product, and I'm going to go ahead to use my plastic cap. My plastic cap is just to deep condition, and so I'm going to use body heat to facilitate the penetration of the product into my strands. And then you can use a steam cap, but I don't have a steam cap, so I go ahead to use and double that by using my bonnet, so that is like more heat. And this is it after 45 minutes. I mean, you can almost not tell that there's any products there. Like, you can't even tell if I put as much as I put, because it's as if my hair just literally took in everything, you know. So yeah, this is it after washing that out, and my scalp is clean and everything is all nice and good. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner from Cantu, and also my black castor oil. This is what I'm going to be using. And usually I don't have my hair in braids. I usually do flat twists as a protective style after my wash day, but then for the purpose of another hairstyle which I wanted to do, I had my hair in braids. But anyways, I wouldn't advise this, it's too tiny. So have your hair in flat twist. I have a video on flat twist, on how to do flat twist by yourself. I'll leave the link so that you guys could check it out. I just go in with my bonnet and secure that in my satin bonnet, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, if this was helpful, then let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.